Hello and welcome to the Vercammen Law Office Legal Podcast. This edition, we're looking at steps in preparing your will with your attorney. Let's see. So, a will that will stand up in court, if necessary, and be tailor-made to meet the needs of your family must first be thought out carefully by you, then skillfully prepared by a lawyer who specializes or handles will drafting and estate planning. He can guide you to the best decisions, but only after obtaining the facts that you alone can give. Thus, you can be sure that your will is properly phrased, witnessed, and has all the technicalities observed. It is penny wise and pound foolish not to pay a lawyer's fee for this service. The charge will depend upon the size and character of the estate and the work involved. Let's see, here are some points to know when making a will. 1. You don't need to make an itemized statement of your assets, nor to state the disposition of your property item by item. 2. You can change a will at any time as your assets, beneficiaries, or desires change. 3. The existence of a will does not affect your ability to sell or dispense of property. You may continue as though you have not written the will. And lastly, the law permits a beneficiary to witness a will. However, it's recommended that a beneficiary not witness a will and only be used when a disinterested person is not available. So usually a law office will have their own witnesses. That way you don't have to use a beneficiary, because when a beneficiary is a will, sometimes that causes problems and contests to the will. So start by making a list of your major assets. Let's say that have specific beneficiaries. Let's say 2, make a list of your real estate. Let's say, and then next, say any other, specific large assets. But since New Jersey did away with the New Jersey estate tax, let's say the only estate tax now is the federal estate tax, which is $11.5 million. Let's see. Now select a executor. Typically, banks and institutions will not be an executor unless someone has millions of dollars. Let's see. So don't pick a bank, institution, or charity unless they specifically agree ahead of time in writing to be the executor. Oftentimes, the best person is people who are in your family. Let's see. So it's business to select the executor, not sentimental. So someone says, I want my oldest child to do it because they're the oldest. No, that's being sentimental. For other information on the preparation of wills, visit website njlaws.com, and for representation, contact Ken Vercammen's office in Edison at 732-572-0500.